Good evening, class. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how you can use the University of Arizona library website to find a peer-reviewed article that is related to the professional practice that you'll be researching for your final project in our English 308 class. To get started, make sure that you go to the University of Arizona library website. It's the URL up here. And I've already signed in. Just so you know, if you do any searches, the library website will prompt you to sign in, and you can just use your NetID credentials to get in to access anything that you find on the library website. For discussion post number 4, I've asked you to use the advanced search option. You can find the advanced search option here, right below where many students will automatically use a general search. By clicking the advanced search, you are actually enabling yourself to find sources with more precision than you would have with, say, the general search. Well, you'll see here are 2 lines, and I'll be talking about these lines as well as these Boolean operators right here. As an example, I'm going to choose for my professional practice online composition. And the reason I'm choosing online composition is because it's something that I think most English professors are getting a lot of experience right now. So what I will do is type in online, one word per line. And I'll add another line for online classroom composition. So each word gets its own line. And what you'll see is that these lines are separated by, on the left-hand side, the word and. For my purposes, I want and. But if you click the pull-down menu, the drop-down menu, excuse me, you'll see that there are these other options, and or not. And not narrow your search or expands the results of your search. And, just like the way we use it in everyday language, means that I'm trying to combine phrases to get narrower results, or means that I would be interested in online or classroom or composition, which is too broad for my current purposes. And not means I want to exclude a particular item from a search. These are what we call Boolean operators, and they can be very useful in terms of narrowing or expanding your search in a particular way. Once I have the phrase, the search phrase, I'm going to click on search right here. And online classroom composition has given me 97,459 results. That's a lot. To narrow these results, the number of hits, I'm going to use the Adjust My Results panel on the left-hand side. These are what we call filters, and I'm going to use these filters to try to narrow the results. I want peer-reviewed and scholarly resources only. Ideally, I want the full text online because I am not going to go to the library during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I'm going to scroll down here and see what other options I have. I would very much like to just read articles. I don't have time to read a whole book. And we'll just use these 3 filters for the time being. If you scroll down, you can also see that you can narrow based on subject, right? You can narrow based on the location of the library. You can also narrow or expand the results based on language. These are all very valuable filters to use. I'm just going to use these 3 for now. So I'm going to apply these filters. And the first hit is a peer-reviewed see that right here. Peer-reviewed article, see that right here, titled The Rise of the Online Writing Classroom, Reflecting on the Material Conditions of College Composition Teaching. This was published in the College Composition and Communication Journal in September of 2013. Now, that might seem like a long time ago to you, but relatively speaking, that's not that long ago in terms of research. So this is going to be a really good candidate for me. You can also see that it's available online. And so I'll go ahead and click on the title. And what you'll see is that there are a number of different places for me to view it online. This page, this pop-up page, also provides me a number of additional resources. I can use the library's website to create an MLA approved citation. So the citation generator is actually in the library website. And this is APA right here. This is MLA. And if you scroll down, you can see a number of other headings or subheadings where similar sources can be found. Just by clicking them, you can find similar sources. So again, the purpose of this tutorial was just to show you how you can use the library website to find peer-reviewed sources for your professional practice. For discussion post number 4, you're going to want to make sure that you write down the search terms that you're using, and you'll want to use these citation generators to get the right citation for either APA 6th edition or MLA 8th edition. I wish you all continued health, and I look forward to reading your reports in the coming weeks.